YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Well, as promised on my previous video when I did an unboxing of this Dyson v10 animal, cordless, we said we was going to do demos. Of course, a sofa demo, and that's what we're going to do right now for you guys. We've got the turbine brush attachment attached. Hopefully this does justice on this sofa, and let's go from there. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I thought it did really, really well. Battery did not deplete. I mean, it's still on 2 bars. It's been on 2 bars since the start of the job. It picked up really well, and look how much it's picked up. That's not bad, I know I'm a bit... I have to do that, it just sounds so cool. Yes, so I'm quite pleased with this machine. It does feel like a standard Dyson, like a corded Dyson. The power it delivers, especially on max, but the battery would just disappear in like a second. But yes, I'm quite impressed with this machine. Glad I bought it. Very versatile for when there's no electric. I would say it is light. I had to swap arms because one arm ached and then the other ached, so I had to keep swapping. She is quite heavy, not ideal for the elder person. The trigger is a little bit annoying because you have to keep your, I broke it. You have to keep your, there we go. You have to keep your finger on the trigger. It's not one of those where you press and then let go and it'll work. You have to keep hold of it, and that does make your finger a bit achy after some time. Apart from all them, excellent machine. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.